Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The rational number for the following numbers, it will be what? A rational number, it will be here. Who can tell me the rational number? Cubic root of 27, it will be 3. Square root of 25, it will be 5. Pi, we can write here 3.14 and so on. Pi is a rational number here. You want to find a rational number, but 4.5 rational number. Cubic root of 27, it will be 3, and square root of 25, it will be 5. But pi is 3.14 and so on. In your calculator, we know this number is a rational number. Can't find the result about pi. Question number 2. The straight line passing through 2 points -1 and 1 and 0 and 3 equal what? We want to find the slope. The slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have 2 points. First point here will be -1 and 1 and 0 and 3. It will be y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 over 0 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal 2. 0 minus 1 it will be 1. 2 divided by 1, it will be equal to. Okay, the result will be equal to about question number 2. Look at question number 3. The length of the diameter of sphere whose volume 36. We have sphere. We know the volume equal 4 over 3 pi r power 3. And they give us the volume equals 36 pi cubic centimeter. We can cancel pi by pi. Then r power 2 equals 36 times the inverse about 4 over 3. It will be 3 over 4. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 3 times 9 it will be 27 equal r power 3. Then r equal cubic root of 27. It will be 3 centimeters. Then the radius will be 3 centimeters. You want to find the diameter. The diameter about this sphere, it will be 2 times the radius. 2 times 3 equal 6 centimeters. Question number 4. The straight line represented by the relation 2x equal 20 intersect x-axis at the point what? Okay, we know x will be equal 10. This straight line represented by the relation to x equal 10, then x equal 10. Intersect at x-axis. Intersected x-axis, it's meaning what? It's meaning y equals 0. Then cut from x-axis 10 parts. Okay, then the point will be 10 and 0. Straight line represented by the relation to x equal 20 intersect this x-axis at the point what? At the point 10 and 0. Because x equal 10 and y equal 0, the order it will be x and y. X was 10 and y 0, then the result will be 10 and 0. Number 5. If 30 and 20 is the point of intersection of the ascending and descending cumulative curve, then the sum of the frequency equal what? Okay, we have curve here up and down. There are intersections at this point. The order of this point 30 here and 20. Okay, then the sum of frequency, it will be 20 times 2, it will be 40. Then the result here should be 40. Okay, we have here the frequency and here the sets. 20 times 2 equal 40, because 20 here refers to the order of the middle. Okay, the order of the median will be 20, but the median will be 30. He won't find the sum of frequencies. Here it will be 2 times 20, it will be 40. The result will be 40. Choose letter D. Question number 2, complete. Number 1, the total area of the cube, it will be 6L power 2. He give us the volume was 125 cubic centimeter. Then the length will be cubic root of 125. Again, the volume equal 125 centimeter power 3 cubic centimeter. Then the length cubic root of 125, it will be 5 centimeters. Then the total area equals 6 L power 2. 6 product by L power 2. L here to be 5 power 2, it will be 6 times 5 power 2, it will be 25. 5 times 6 equals 30, write 0 and carry up 3. 2 times 3x equal 12, plus 3 equal 15. The result will be 150. Okay, square centimeter. Question number 2. Solution of this equation in R. We have 2x power 2 plus 15 equal 3. We can write 2x power 2 equal 3 subtracted by 15. Then 2x power 2 equal negative 12. You can divide it by 2. Then x power 2, it will be negative 6. And the solution set in R, it will be null set. Because if we put the square root left hand side, right hand side, square root of negative 6, it's impossible. The solution here, it will be R. Question number 3. If A and A satisfies this equation, x multiplied by 10, then A plus A equal 10, then 2A equal 10. You can divide it by 2, then A equal 5. Question number 5. If the lower limit of a set is 30 and its upper limit 40, then the center will be what? We can add 30 plus 30 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2, it will be 30. It's the center. Question number 5. Here, find the solution of the inequality here. 7x less than 5x plus 6 in R. We can move 6 to left hand side, cancel it, write 7x. Moved 5x to left hand side, or you must add negative 5x to right hand side and left hand side to cancel 5x. And then we can write 7x subtract by 5x will be 2x less than, cancel them, 6. We can divide it by 2. Then x less than 3. You can draw number line here to open to negative infinity. Then the solution set here, it will be opened interval from negative infinity to 3. Next example, simplify this equation for product by cubic root of 51 subtract by 2 square root of 27 plus 3 times square root of 12. We write here for product by cubic root of 27 times 3 equal 81, and 27 9 times 3, and 12 4 times 3. Cubic root of 27, it will be 3. 3 times 4 equal 12, and the cubic root of 3 side it. 2 times square root of 9, it will be 3, and write cubic root square root of 3 plus subtract by 3 times square root of 4, 2 times square root of 3. Write 12 cubic root of 3 subtract 6 square root of 3 subtract 6 square root of 3. We can replace it. Find the result here. It will be 12 cubic root of 3 subtract 12 square root of 3. It's the result about this example. Okay, next example. If x equal half closed interval negative 3 and 7, and y equal half closed negative 5 to 3, he won't find intersection between two set intervals here, and won't find the section and union. Okay, first I will draw number line from negative 3 to 7, and we have here negative 5 to 3. So first interval from negative 3 to 7 closed and 7 opened, and y from negative 5 closed to 3 opened. Then x union y here from negative 5 closed to 7 opened, and x intersection y intersection between them from negative, we have here negative 3. Okay, intersection from negative 3 to 3, but -3 closed and 3 was opened. Okay. Question number 5. Prove that the points A, we have 3 points A and B and C on the same straight line. Okay. To prove that 3 points are the same line or is collinear, we must put slope of A and B and C here. You can find slope of AB and slope of BC and slope of BC, and we must prove that the 3 slopes are equal. He gives us point E was -1 and -4, and point B equals 0 and 1. Point C was 2 and 11. A and B, right? y2 minus y1, -4 minus 1, and -1 minus 0, -5 over -1, it will be 5. BC, 11 minus 1, it will be 10, over 2 minus 0, it will be 2, the result will be 5. Slope of BC, 11 minus 1, where I found there BC, AB, BC, AC. 11 minus 4, it will be 15. And 2 minus 1, it will be 3, the result will be 5. Then, slope 1 equals slope 2 equals slope 3. Then, point A and B and C, they are collinear. They are collinear. Collinear, it's meaning they are in the same straight line. Question letter B. From the data table, find the arithmetic means. We can draw the table here and divide it 4 parts. First, set and center. Put x here and k, and product between x and k. Okay. X you have frequency and x reverse to the center of the sets. Center here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to 60. 10 plus 20 equals 30, divided by 2, it will be 15. He ate 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, and then k, 6 and 12 and 20, 16 and 6. Okay, and then product between them, 5 times 15, it will be 90. 12 times 25, complete here by using calculator to find the result. 12 plus 25, it will be 300. And 35 times 20, it will be 700. 16 times 45, 720. And 55 times 6, 330. Okay, and you can find the arithmetic mean. You can find the sum of x product by k over the sum of k. Okay, sum of them here was 60, and you can add them. 330 plus 720 plus 700 plus 300 plus 90. This result will be 2140 divided by 60. The result will be here 35.6. Again, we have 6, 12, 20, 16 and 6, 15, 25, 35, 45, 45 times 15, 45 times 16. Okay, it's the result about this example.